Okay, this video is gonna quickly demonstrate how to access your webmail and change your server password for your email. So in this case, we're just demonstrating for this company, Protix. We will send you the URL. Type in, copy paste the URL in the address bar of your browser, like so. Copy paste and then hit enter. Once it's loaded, you will type in your username and password for the .com, and I think it's okay. Now when you're in this section, you can access any of these mail clients to access your mail, but just want to demonstrate how to change your password. Click the little down arrow at the top and click change password, and then you type in a new password, confirm it, and click save, and it'll change your password. You can also, once you log in here, click configure mail client, and that will give you instructions on how to configure your Outlook or your mail client that you currently use on your PC. And that's all.